Ernesto is churning through the Atlantic after it became a Category 1 hurricane yesterday. The powerful storm battered Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands with torrential rains and strong winds causing heavy flooding. Hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses were without power. Virgin Island officials announced that all public schools would be closed today for continuing cleanup and safety checks. The National Hurricane Center reported that it was gaining strength last night, prompting the agency to issue a hurricane watch for Bermuda.